All right, let's talk GED algebra. If linear equations have got your head spinning, you are in exactly the right place. We are about to unlock a secret weapon that's going to make solving these things an absolute breeze. Seriously, let's get you ready to ace this test.
Hey, we're the Cool Cats team. And you know what we do? We're constantly on the lookout, digging through everything to find the best, most proven strategies to help you walk into that GED test with total confidence. So think of us as your coaches. And what you're about to learn, this is your insider guide to crushing a huge chunk of the math section.
So, what is this big secret weapon? We call it Power Move 4, but honestly, its nickname is way more fun. The inverse dance. It's a simple, super powerful strategy for just knocking out those tricky-looking algebra problems. This one little phrase is everything. Just burn this into your brain. Do the inverse dance on both sides. The whole idea is simple, really. Imagine an equation as like a perfectly balanced scale. If you do something to one side, you have to do the exact same thing to the other side to keep it from tipping over. That's all we're doing here, keeping things equal. Okay, so how does this dance actually work? It's super simple. It's just a three-step move. First, you distribute. Next, you combine like terms. And last, you isolate the variable. That's it. Distribute, combine, isolate. Got it? That's the rhythm every single time. All right, enough talking about it. Theory is fine and dandy, but let's see it in action, right? It's time to put this plan to the test with a problem you'd totally see on the GED and watch how our three-step process just takes it apart, piece by piece. Okay, here we go. Now, looking at this, 2x minus 5 plus 4 equals 19. I get it. It might look a little messy. You got parentheses, multiplication, addition. It's a lot, but trust me, with our 3 steps, this is nothing. We just follow the plan. Step 1, distribute. We just take that 3 sitting outside the parentheses and share it with everything inside. So 3 times 2x, that's 6x. And 3 times negative 5, that's negative 15. The rest of it just tags along. See? Not so bad. Step 2 is all about tidying up. We combine like terms. So we look at the left side and see what belongs together. We've got 2 regular numbers here, a negative 15 and a positive 4. Let's put them together. That gives us negative 11. Look how much cleaner and simpler that equation is already. And now for the big finale, the last dance move. Isolate the variable. We need to get that x all by its lonesome to figure out what it is. To get rid of that minus 11, we do the inverse. We add 11. But what's the mantra? You gotta do it to both sides. So we add 11 on the left, which cancels it out, and we add 11 to 19 on the right, which gets us to 30. We are so close. The x is almost alone, but it's still attached to that 6. The inverse of multiplying by 6 is dividing by 6. So we divide both sides by 6, and look at that. 30 divided by 6 is 5. We just follow the steps, and bam, there's our answer. X equals 5. Beautiful. Okay, so you've pretty much got equations down now, but you know the GED, it's going to throw you a curveball. It's going to show you inequalities. But here's the awesome news. You use the exact same inverse stance. There's just one tiny but super critical twist you got to know about. So let's do a quick side-by-side. An equation with that equal sign means there's only one right answer. But an inequality with a less than or greater than sign means there's a whole bunch of answers that could work. They look almost the same, but that one little symbol makes a big difference. But watch this, the process is identical. To solve 2x plus 7 less than 19, we do the same inverse dance. We subtract 7 from both sides, which gives us 2x less than 12. Then we divide both sides by 2, and we get x less than 6. It means any number less than 6 works. See, the steps didn't change at all. Okay, but remember that twist I mentioned? This right here is the #1 trap people fall into on the GED, but not you. Not after today. This is the one and only time the rules of the dance change just a little bit. Okay, lean in for this one. This is so important. When, and only when, you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, you have to flip the sign. It's not optional. A less than suddenly becomes a greater than or equal to flips to a less than or equal to. This is it. This is the golden rule of inequalities. Do not forget this rule. And just like that, you've got it. You now have a seriously powerful tool you can use on the GED math test. You've got a complete game plan for both linear equations and inequalities. So let's just make sure we lock it in. So here it is, all wrapped up. Your mantra, do the inverse dance on both sides, keeps everything balanced. Your 3 steps, distribute, combine, isolate, give you the perfect roadmap. And your 1 critical rule for inequalities? That's your shield against the most common mistake out there. This is your toolkit. You're ready. Okay, now I'm curious. For you, what was the biggest aha moment here? Was it seeing the whole process broken down into those 3 simple steps? Or was it that critical rule about flipping the inequality sign? Drop a comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear from you.
Hey, if this strategy helped you out, do us a quick favor and hit that like button, and definitely subscribe for more GED power moves from the Cool Cats team. Our whole goal is to bring you the absolute best strategies to help you win. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll catch you in the next one.